All right, here you have Glenn, and he came to see us about, let's see, February, and we are in September. It's about 6, 7 months ago. And at the time you came in to us, you had some osteoarthritis of your knees, degenerative disc disease of your low back, and some peripheral neuropathy, numbness and some pain in your calves and feet. And at that time, we decided to do some laser cell signaling therapy. And so here we are 7 months later. Let's start. How is your back? How are your knees? How are your legs and feet doing?
My back is doing extremely good. My feet are doing real good. My knees or my calves. The one knee, my left knee, is like I explained to her, it was a pain that's developed on the inner right and the outer left. And she did something, one of the machines there, and it apparently is broken. She's explained to me that it broke up some calcium. And
Yeah, the shockwave therapy that clicks it. Yeah,
I haven't been
stimulates the
able
cells,
to
breaks up adhesions. Yeah.
I haven't been able to stand and bring my foot up and touch my butt, and I am right now.
Oh, now you're able to.
I just told her it's the first time.
Could you demonstrate?
Yeah, I mean,
Kind of stand up. So what was it like before? Go ahead and sit. Can you kind of move forward? Move forward next to the chair.
I can literally take it and do this.
Yeah.
I couldn't do that before.
Yeah.
On both of them. And the there's like a little crackling and stuff when I'm moving my knees now. And she explained to me it's breaking the calcium.
Yeah, and it's loosening things up. Now you got almost full range of motion in your knees again, huh?
Yes. Yeah. And that hasn't happened. Well, it's like I said, this morning is the first.
All right. So here we are 7 months later. How many percent improvement do you feel compared to before we started therapy 7 months ago?
Well, the difference between day and night.
All right.
Okay. I don't know how else to explain it. It's hard to put it on a percentage because, I mean, if I have to, I'd say 70.
Yeah,
70, 80.
Yeah, you're right on track. Remember, Glenn, I said expect about 10% improvement a month. Here we are 7 months later. You're 70, 80% better. Range of motion, pain is down, walking more.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's like I said, right now, I'm bending my knees there and it's doing the crackling and the popping.
Yeah.
I told her I'd start coming in here, maybe once a week, and she could do that thing on there.
Yeah, the shockwave therapy to stimulate everything, loosen things up.
It broke everything loose. I'm just amazed at that.
All right. Well, Glenn, I'm glad you're back to walking, satisfactorily, more range of motion, a lot less, a lot less pain. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So what we'll do, we're going to schedule you for your yearly follow-up, which will be in about 5 months. Melissa's going to go ahead and schedule for that. You already had your booster treatment with the shockwave today. And just keep on doing your home recommendations, the home light, alkaline water, exercise, stem cell diet. You'll be all set. Okay. All right.
Doing good.
All right, Glenn, we'll see you in a few months.
All righty. Thank you very much.
Take care.